Hi, my name's Chris Easton, one of the occupational physicians from Beam at Medicolegal. The purpose of this video is to give a brief overview of what a permanent impairment assessment is and what to expect from the process. If you've sustained an injury in the workers' compensation system in Western Australia, your injury may be associated with an entitlement to financial compensation. Once your injury has achieved a maximum or stable recovery, you may be sent for an impairment assessment, which is initiated by the insurer of your claim or potentially your lawyer.
So you've been asked to attend for a permanent impairment assessment. Well, what is impairment? Well, impairment is a non-functioning body part. That's different from disability. Disability is difficulty in using that body part. So to give you an example, if I had a little finger injury and maybe lost the end of my little finger, there would be an impairment, but the disability would be different compared to if I was working as a doctor or compared to if I was working as, say, for example, a professional musician, which would be a much greater disability. What we do is we measure impairment because that is measurable and reproducible.
The assessments can be complicated and will be nuanced depending on the injury sustained and may include assessment of the mobility of a joint, sensory function, or potentially even the type of surgery undertaken.
That then goes into a report, which is then sent to the referrer and also to WorkCover as well. And that's the end of the process.
In some instances, the rating can be used to determine whether or not your injury might allow you to apply legal processes, such as applying for common law and damages.